What's up, guys? Happy Monday morning. This is going to be a little strange at first, but you know what? One thing about us as humans is we can adapt, and all life can, and we adapt to the different conditions that life brings us. So now we're home. You see my lovely bed hair, okay? But I'm not in my jammies, actually. All right. Today I'm actually working. Happy Monday as we start this online stuff. I will be available during the mornings and a little bit in the afternoons. Uh, Feel free to reach out for questions for me, okay? The first assignment is I'm going to post a video for you. It's a really good video. It's called Switch. Switch is a documentary about renewable resources and how we can use them. And renewable resources are good for the fact that they don't produce a lot of pollution. They're good for the environment. We're not going to run out of them. But they can also be expensive to build. So there's good and bad to it. Where non-renewable produce a lot of pollution and we could run out of them. Okay. You remember from way back when we did notes, I'm going to come on to my OneNote here. You remember that renewables are usually above ground. So when we have above ground stuff, we got our lovely sun, which is our solar energy. But again, you got to make the solar panels for them in order to get that energy. We got wind turbines. Wind turbines are great for energy, okay? But you got to have an area that has a lot of wind, and then you got to build that. Your non-renewable stuff is mostly underground. These are your fossil fuels, okay? Your coal, your oil, and your natural gas. So you're going to see in this video how we're using renewable and what we can do to help it. We're also going to see how we're using non-renewable and how we can help that environment. And we can see that if this pandemic has taught us anything, guys, we are one globe. Look at this, one little virus in China, and look how much its devastation it's done. We are all connected. And so this is why we take our climate, our environment seriously. This is why we are in this all together. Yes, we are little dots in the big scheme of things, but overall, we want to be able to see that we can help the globe by being cognizant of what we're doing and what energy we're putting out there. So, this is another one of those things that help you in your learning, in your education of the world. And so, take a look at this video. The answers to the questions, there's times next to where the answers come. So, the first one doesn't start till 10 minutes in. So, I am okay with you going 10 minutes in to watch it. In fact, I'm breaking up the video over 2 days. So the first half will be 40 minutes because technically our class periods are 40 minutes long. Okay. So I am breaking up the video into two halves. You're going to watch the first part today, Monday, the second part Tuesday. Okay. And then you'll turn the questions into me, email them, adamuch@hatborohorsham.org, or you can do it through Teams, Microsoft Teams, or you can do it through Canvas, either way. Okay. Um, but email is probably the best way because then I can get right back to you saying if I got it or not. Hang in there. Let me know if you have questions. All right. The video link will be on Canvas announcements. I miss you guys. I look forward to seeing you soon. This is not how I want to teach, but at the time being, we got to make do with what we got. All right. And I'm glad I'm feeling well. My prayers go out to the people that are sick right now dealing with this virus. I'm glad you're feeling well and hopefully helping your family out and hanging in there. And this will be good. This will be good for your brain. This will be good for your mind to start learning again, start doing some stuff. All right. So I'm signing off, Mr. Adamucci. Have a good day, guys. Bye.